Guys, welcome back to my channel World of Flutter. So today we are going to take a look at the Flutter Spinkit package. The publisher of the package is ogboomer.com and the license is from MIT. And as per the likes, pub points and popularity, we can say that this package is good and efficient to use. And the platform on which we can use this package is Android, iOS, Linux, macOS, Web and Windows. So let's jump straight ahead into the installation. So installing they have given here as well, and you can go in the installing tab also. So if you go there is a command that you can run, or else you can just copy this line of code and paste it under dependencies in your YAML file and then run pubget. Once you done that, do that, your package will be added in your project, and you can copy this line of code and paste it wherever you want to use it. Okay, that is the import line. Now let's go back to the readme. So let me show you the basic app that we get when we make a new Flutter app. So this is the demo app, and in my YAML file I already have added this spinkit, and I've run pubget. Once you run pubget, messages tab will tell you that your package has been added successfully. Okay, now I'm going to show you the same example that they have used. So here in how to use, they have given the examples of 3 different types of spinkit, which is rotating circle, fading and square circle. So you can see down here they have so many different spinkits: pouring hourglass, simple hourglass, spinning lines, wave spinner, like that. So you can use any of these, and you can customize them as per your needs as well. So let's first go into the examples. So if you go in the example tab, they have given the example which is just the main dot, and I will explain you what they have done. And in the main dot they have a button and a workspace class. So both of these files are not present here in the tab, but if you want to see them, so you can see here the repositories that has a, which is for GitHub. It's a written GitHub in the braces. So you can just right click on it and you can open it in new tab. So once you do that, it will open the GitHub code of this package, and you can see there is a lib, and in the lib you have 3 files: main dot, showcase dot, and workspace dot. So in the main dot you can go, and I am going to copy my main dot because I want to show you the same example that they have used. Okay, so I'm going to remove my main dot. I'm going to copy that. Now it's giving error for showcase and workspace files, so I'm going to create 2 files. One of them will be showcase dot and the other one will be workspace dot. Okay, now I'm going to copy paste the code of both of these files. So this is workspace dot. I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste, and similarly for showcase dot I'm going to copy and I'm going to paste. Okay, now you will not have any error, I think. Yeah, there's no error. You might get error in the widget.test if you don't change your app name. Okay, so this is my app by default, but whatever your app's name is, you should give that there so that you don't get an error. Okay, now let's see in the main dot. Let me do a hot restart. So in the main dot there's a spinkit demo, which is the title of the material app, and then you have scaffold, safe area, stack, and in the stack you have 2 children. One is your align and second is your position dot fill, which is the workspace. So this workspace is the square box that you can see, and the align, which is bottom center, is the button that you can see. So when you click on this button, it will take you to the showcase file, and this is the workspace file that is being displayed on top of the button, which is inside a stack. So let's just look at the workspace first. So in the workspace, you can see there's a white container with a height and width of a square, and their child is a spinkit fading circle. And in the fading circle, they are giving item builder, because in fading circle you can give like the animation controller also, you can give size, color, anything, and you can give item builder also. Okay, so in the item builder there is a property which is item builder, and in the item builder they have given they are returning a decorated box. So the decorated box is color will change if it's a even or an odd, so it will be either red or green. So you can see these small little boxes which is in red and green color. These are the decorated box that the fading circle is returning. Okay, and now that is your workspace which is being called. in your main. Okay, and the second item in the stack was the button. So if you click on the button, it will take you to this page, which is a showcase page. Now what is this page? In the showcase page, it's a stateless widget, and there's a there's a list of widgets which is called the kits, and there, that is what they are rendering in a grid view format. So you can see there's an app bar and elevation and all that, and then the body has gridview.builder, which is the default grid view of Flutter. So note one thing, that you can use a circular progress indicator, which is the default in Flutter, but if you want it to look like more attractive, and from a viewer's point of view, if you want to make it more beautiful, then you can use this package. Okay, so in the grid view builder, their item builder is the element of the list that we have, and in the cross axis count, they have made their own cross axis count depending on the width of the screen. So my width of the screen follows this particular condition. That's why I'm able to see only 3 items at a time in one row. So it depends on the screen of the width. The bigger the screen, the bigger the number of elements written in. Okay, so this is the basic example that they have given, and here they have pretty much showed you all the different types of Spinkit that they have, okay, with them. So if you click on this cross, it will pop you back to the main screen. So here now I'll show you how we can change it also. So let's go in the workspace. So in the workspace right now, it's a fading circle with a decorated box as item builder. Now I'm going to change it. So let's go back to our readme, and in the readme they have given 3 examples. I'm going to simply take this one. Okay, it's a Spinkit square circle, which will look like this, the square circle. Okay, so let's just remove this part and let's just paste this. Now the Spinkit square circle, I am passing an animation controller. So to use the animation controller, you need a vsync parameter. It's a, I think it's a required parameter. Yeah, so it's a required parameter, and to use vsync you need to have a ticker, because vsync is a type of ticker provider, and you pass this to the vsync. So to passing this, you need to have a state, and in order to do that, you need to convert it into a stateful widget. Okay, and you are going to need this particular state to pass in the ticker. So for that, you need to add a mixin. Okay, and I'm going to use the ticker provider state mixin. So there's a single ticker provider mixing also, and there's a state mixin also. So this is for multiple tickers, and that is for single one. So here I'm going to use this one because it's a multiple ticker situation. And now if I do a hot restart, let's say, because I changed the state, you know. So now if I do, okay, this color is white, let me change it to pink. That will be clear. Yeah, so you can see that I have added this, and I have given the animation duration as 1200 milliseconds. Okay, and it's working as I want it to work. Fine, so we can do this using the state mixin, ticker provider state mixin, and you can use the animation controller. So make sure that whenever you're using animation controller, this ticker should always be there, because you need to pass it in the vsync. Okay, so this is the one example that they have given here, and there's this example we already saw the decorated box earlier, and there's one more example, which is the Spinkit rotating circle. So you can copy this, and let's see if we can make this work. So let's paste it here, and once you're done, I don't think we need this anymore, and also we don't need this to be a stateful widget. We can work with stateless just fine. Okay, now again the state is changed, so let's do a hot restart. Okay, there's a issue. Okay, there's one bracket missing. Yeah, now let's do a hot restart. Okay, it's again white color. Let me give this orange this time. So you can see there's a rotating circle right there. Now we can change it to different spin kits. Like for example, let's say I want spinning lines. So I'm going to do spin kit spinning lines. Okay, and I'm going to give the color orange only. I'm going to do a hot reload. You can see my spin kit has changed. Now this is a spinning lines. Similarly, you can use pumping heart, hourglass, like that. Let's use hourglass. Okay, spin kit hourglass. Okay, so you can do like that. Now spin kit hourglass, also takes animation controller. So you can pass the same controller that I just showed you before here also, and you can set the custom duration and everything accordingly. Okay, so this is how you can implement Flutter Spinkit in your projects, and you can have so many different spin kits embedded in your project. You can use any of them for the loading screen that you are building. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much the summary for this Flutter Spinkit package. Please like, share, subscribe, and if you want me to make a certain video on a package of Flutter or on a topic of Flutter, then please do write in the comment section below. I'll make the video on those as well. And thank you so much. I'll see you guys in my next video.